If you're watching this, your team has invested in Blinq's event lead capture, and we want to make sure you get the most out of it from the moment you arrive at your first event. Here's the thing, you get maybe 60 seconds or less with someone at your booth. This is how Blinq makes sure it counts. Picture this, you're at a booth, someone walks up, you have a great conversation, and now it's time to capture their details. Open Blinq, scan their event badge, name, title, company, pulled in seconds. But here's where things get powerful. Blinq AI works in the background to fill in everything the badge left out. A headshot, their company email, mobile phone, LinkedIn profile, all sourced from publicly available information. We call these CRM-ready leads because that's exactly what they are. This works just as well on paper business cards and contact QR codes too. One workflow, whatever they hand you. Right after you scan, you'll see a pop-up where you can add a quick note. What did you talk about? What do you want to remember for your follow-up? And if you'd rather talk than type, there's a mic icon right there, especially useful when the floor is busy. From there, add your tags. Your organization may have already set these up for you, but think of them as quick qualifiers. And best of all, these tags and notes attach to the contact and flow in real time to both the Blinq portal and your company's CRM. When you scan a badge, a lead form may pop up automatically. This will be set up by your Blinq administrator and is completely customized to your team. So all you need to do is fill it in. Your admin handles the build, you just capture the intel. Now, if you want to go deeper on a conversation, this is where AI Notetaker comes in. Two ways to use it. One, if you have permission to record, hit record during the conversation and Blinq will attach it to that contact automatically. Two, the lead walks away and while it's still fresh, you record yourself doing a quick debrief. You attach to the contact after. Either way, Blinq generates an AI summary, pulls out next steps, and saves the full transcript. All attached to that lead, so when it comes time to follow up, you're not guessing, you're referencing. Everyone on your team also gets a Blinq digital business card. So while you're capturing their details, you can share yours just as easily. They scan your QR code or you send them a link. No app needed on their end, works on any phone. Blinq doesn't just equip you to scan badges and capture contact details, it gives you the tools to add real context to every conversation so you can build more meaningful pipeline and turn event connections into relationships worth acting on.